Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you're looking to update the look in your bathroom with an absolutely fabulous new light fixture, you are going to be in love with this one that I got from Emak. First off, I was completely blown away by how amazing it looks in person. The pictures online do not do it justice. It looks like $1,000,000. It has a really sleek, modern design. We got the milk glass globe shades, and I really like how opaque they are. We chose the 3-light vanity, but Emak has a lot of other options to choose from, including clear glass and other metal finishes. This comes with everything that you need to install it and took about 15 to 20 minutes. It was a really easy installation. It's well made and sturdy, and the light connections to the bulbs are very secure. This immediately updated the look in the bathroom. It made it look so much more up to date and luxurious. We are so pleased with it. I think it's stunningly beautiful. You're not going to be disappointed with it, and that's my point of view.